My name is Lauren, and I'm here today to answer some of your nature-related questions. So I'm a naturalist with Nebraska Game and Parks, which means that I study and enjoy and know a lot of different things about nature. And I have an email address that you can send in your nature-related questions to. The email is ngpc.wildwhatsup@nebraska.gov. Now you can email me any of your nature-related questions and make sure you include your name and your age and your hometown, so if I answer your question on my video, I can give you a shout out. Okay, so my first question of the day comes from Evelyn. Evelyn is 4 years old and she is from Huxley, Iowa. Hey Evelyn! Her first question is, why do some bugs have fun colors and others are just black? So to answer your question, some bugs just want to blend in. We have some insects, like this guy, and he wants to blend into the grass. He wants to blend into the trees and not be seen. This is called camouflage. And he does this because there is a lot of animals out there who like to eat insects. There's a lot of protein in them, they're usually pretty easy to find, and they will definitely try and catch an insect and eat it if they can. But there's other insects, like say this guy or this guy, that are really brightly colored. Why would they be so brightly colored? Wouldn't a predator find them super easy? Well, have you ever heard of the word aposematic? It's basically this really big word for animals that use flashy colors to warn predators that they do not taste good. Like seriously, they could even be toxic. Monarch butterflies, caterpillars, and milkweed bugs all are brightly colored red and orange to tell birds, hey, don't eat me or you will get a mighty tummy ache. These bugs in particular, interestingly enough, get their toxins from their food, the milkweed plant. They eat milkweed, which is toxic to a lot of animals, and then they themselves become toxic. What an interesting predator defense. Evelyn's second question is, why do worms come out on the sidewalk when it rains? Right? We've all put on our rain boots, went outside when it was a little rainy, and all these worms are on the sidewalk. Why do they do that? Well, just like us, earthworms have to breathe. And unlike us, we breathe through lungs, earthworms breathe through their skin. When soil is dry or moist, air, and this really important small molecule called oxygen, are easily diffused throughout the soil so the worm can breathe, even though it's underground. However, when it rains, the worm's burrow fills with water, making it hard for them to breathe, so they have to come to the surface until their homes dry out. Okay, so my third question comes from Charlie. Charlie is 2 years old and he's from central Iowa, and he wants to know, how do animals see at nighttime? Well, first of all, there's a special subset of animals that are called nocturnal animals. A nocturnal animal is an animal that is awake and alert and hunts and does all of his busy daytime activities at night. To be able to do this, their eyes are very highly adapted and have interesting structures in them to be able to see at nighttime. One of these structures is the tapetum lucidum. This is like a special mirror in the back of the eyeball that reflects and captures light, even if it's just a little sliver of moonlight. If you've ever shined a flashlight on a nighttime animal and seen that their eyes seem to glow red, well, that's the tapetum lucidum doing its job. Nighttime animals also have much more rods in their eyes than cones. Because of this, scientists believe that many nocturnal animals may not be able to see color very well. And my third question of the day comes from Nikki. Nikki is 9 years old and is from Omaha. And her question is, why are the birds underneath my bird feeder? Let's do some investigating. Interestingly enough, there are many species of birds that love to forage, or look for food, on the ground. They use their feet and their bills to kick dirt out of the way, uncovering seeds, bugs, and other delicious bird snacks. In Nebraska, this includes sparrows, starlings, toadies, dove, quail, and lots of other bird species. In this video that I took here at Schramm Education Center, you'll see a Harris's sparrow searching for something yummy underneath our bird feeders. Harris's sparrows are chunky little balls of fluff, easily identified by their orange bills and black speckled faces. Foraging on the ground helps birds pick up food others may have missed. However, it does leave them a little more open to predators, so watch out, little guys! Okay, awesome questions today from Evelyn, Charlie, and Nikki. Good job, guys! If you are out in nature this week and you have any nature-related questions, make sure to email me. Once again, that is ngpc nature.wildwhatsup@nebraska.gov. Now, I may not know the answers to all of your questions, but I will always do diligent research to find the answer, which is kind of fun because then I get to learn too. What's really cool about nature is that there is so much to learn and explore. So make sure you get outside this week. Go for a walk, look at the birds, look for insects, and email me any of your questions. Okay guys, have a great week, and maybe I'll see you out there.